Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Monday, November 17, 2025. Opening brief. What's up, Jet Set fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting, carry-on packed, edges laid, coffee louder than TSA. If your week started wobbly, breathe, cause Auntie got the travel tea, fresh as room service croissants. Buckle up, babes. We cruising through the mess like a rental on premium insurance. First brief. Big flip at US airports, flight caps lifted, schedules unfrozen. See what had happened was. The FAA just ended the emergency order that had airlines trimming up to 6% of flights at 40 major airports during the 43-day shutdown drama. As of 6 a.m. Eastern Time today, November 17th, carriers can return to regular schedules. Cancellations dipped under 1% over the weekend, and officials say controller staffing is stabilizing, though they are still probing reports that some airlines ignored parts of the earlier cut mandate. Translation: operations are normalizing into Thanksgiving, but keep alerts on. Baby, the "no flights for you" sign finally came down. But don't test it, book non-stops in the morning, and keep that app refreshing like it owes you money. Second brief. Road warriors, rise, record Thanksgiving travel on deck. See what had happened was. AAA says an eye-popping 81.8 million folks plan to roll 50-plus miles between November 25th to December 1st, a brand new record. Most are driving, car snacks, with air still up versus last year as confidence returns. That's a whole nation playing musical chairs with middle seats and gas pumps, so pad your timing and pick your route smart. If your family reunion got 3 turkeys and 1 outlet, bring a power strip, be the hero and charge your cousin's iPad. GPS say 2 hours. Cool, leave 4. Third brief. Weather watch, SoCal soaks records, Iberia gets drenched. See what had happened was. Downtown Los Angeles just logged its wettest November on record, 2.57 inch plus as of Sunday, with more rain sliding through today, expect slick freeways and some flood advisories. Meanwhile, Storm Claudia is thumping Portugal and Spain with heavy rain and flooding risk, keep tabs if you're Euro hopping this week. LA said, Waterworld, Premium Edition. If you ride hydroplanes, that ain't a theme park, slow it down, boo. Flying to Madrid or Lisbon. Pack a spare pair of socks and a flex day. Wildcard brief. Midnight comeback, Paris left Raitero Berlin sleeper returns spring 26. See what had happened was. European sleeper launches a direct Paris a Berlin night train March 26, 2026, 3 times weekly via Brussels. Tickets December 16, 2025, lead fares Euro 59, Euro 69, 12 to 14 coaches, 600, 700 seats, no dining car at launch. BB's Paris a Berlin night jet ends December 14, 2025 after French subsidy changes, this fills the gap. Overnight from croissant to currywurst? Say less. Pack the silk mask, set that December 16th alarm, and snag the window bunk boo. Travel tip of the day. Fly earlier, fly non-stop. Morning departures dodge the day's domino delays as schedules ramp back. Road trip math, with record drivers coming, leave extra and use live traffic detours, rest stop strategy, road rage regret. Fourth brief. Orlando back on beat after FAA thaw, watch the tarmac calm down. See what had happened was. MCO ops rebounded as restrictions lifted, local news crews show smoother boards and fewer hiccups. Orlando said, we good now, Mickey's got gates for days. Still screenshot that boarding pass, cousin. Phones get shy at the scanner. Fifth brief. Sydney Airport battling big winds, runway shuffle in effect. See what had happened was. Gus forced a single runway ops, trimming capacity and causing delays, local clips show some wobbly crosswinds and go-arounds. Pilots out there crab walking planes like it's fashion week on the tarmac. If you're connecting through SYD, buffer that layover, babes. Sixth brief. SoCal storm rescue footage. See what had happened was. Orange County firefighters pulled a man from rushing water after weekend downpours, a sharp reminder to steer clear of flooded roadways. Listen, if the street look like chocolate milk, don't stir it with your Camry. Turn around, save the car, save the edges, save the day. Closing brief. Alright passport princes and princesses, weeks rolling, we are too. For smart fares and no drama stays, hit breathtakinglagoon.com, one click, all options. Stay booked, stay blessed. Rattles out. Peace.